It's just a quick video on the perils of buying cheap wire, and you get what you pay for. So we have an ohm meter here measuring resistance. I've got it in manual mode just so that it's a bit faster to pop up. And so I'll actually show this. I'm connecting my two leads, and these are just little clip leads. Takes a second, but you can see it comes right down. So we got 0.06 ohms. Take that off there. You can see they're just little, nice little grabby connectors. And so we use a piece of hookup wire here. This one should be fine because it's solid wire, AWG 22 or 24, I'm not sure which. And you will see it come down over a second. I can wiggle it, doesn't change much, still coming down. But all in the same ballpark. Now, here we have a piece of cheap Chinese Arduino kit wire. And you can see it's got the little pins somehow connected on there. Crimp, I think. And we will try and hook this one up. Hard to see while I'm looking at the video here, but now look at that. You see it jump? As we move the wire around, this is going to make a liar out of me now. You can see it moving, but it's not. Of course not. See, I'm not actually making physical contact with the wire with my hands here. Seems to be a little finicky than it was earlier. I definitely had it up. There it is at 4 ohms. Can't quite see how I'm holding that there. I'm just holding it kind of at an angle, the wire at an angle. And there I'm not touching it. I'm not touching either end of it. Wire's floating in the air, and there it is at 1 ohm. So you can imagine my surprise when I ran close to an amp through there, which was probably not rated for, but and at 5 volts, and suddenly lost 2 of my volts on my little wire. So there is an example of a wire that is neither shorted nor open, but producing significant resistance internally. So in other words, you get what you pay for.